Carl, I didn't know these seats were a thing, you know. Are they right boss's own seats or what? Like, I've never seen these bus seats in my entire life.
Rose Hill roundabout.
It's mad how there's actually windows here. I think it's like that on some of the Bellio's ones as well. Or Transport UK in my back.
Well, this is actually one of the best stuff. It's not even close. How is it almost winter though?
I made the base in like October, okay?
Oh man, impatient man, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, these seats actually look cheap though.
Right lane, Rose Hill roundabout.
Things. Also, so these seats were made by Fame, so I've never. Oh, so this is like the first time Faints seats are being used in the UK, innit? Interesting.
I want to do something, but I know I shouldn't.
Actually, mad to see like the whole old school iBus and everything on the Electroliner, because every other Electroliner here is high spec interior. This is the only one that will have that's actually like got a lower spec interior. It's actually mad, bro. It feels like a normal Gemini 3. Slightly, actually. It feels like a Gemini 3 with slight modifications. It feels like a evolved Gemini 3. Evolved WHV. That's what it feels like, you know. It's actually mad.
St. Helier Hospital.
Just go, man. No fleet number at the rear. What, someone's trying to get heard the bell. EL1. Nice. Yeah, I really don't get how it really doesn't make no fucking sense how the ones that go ahead are actually ordering for the 151 have a complete different fleet class. I find that very fucking stupid. It's the same bus type and everything, but for some reason their fleet class is different. It's DEL on them lot, but this one's EL, bro. It makes no fucking sense, bro. It makes no fucking sense. It's not. They ain't even got a new chassis or nothing. The body's the exact same. The only thing that's different is the front. That's literally it. What, you're calling it a different fleet class just because it's a facelift version? I've never seen that in my life, bro. I swear, if they do the same thing for the MK2 400 EVs and they just do them like EE Integral or something like that,